What's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about hearing aids and how they kind of function. I feel like I get a lot of comments about it. And so this is my hearing aid. It does have wax in them. So this, I have behind the ear hearing aid, BTE. Wait, behind the ear, yeah. And how it functions is I put it in my ear this way. This is the molds. Obviously there's new technology out there, and I put this behind my ear. It does not really work well with piercings, so I do not suggest it, sorry. And sound comes from this section, and it travels all the way through it and in the molds, and then if you can see in here, I know it's really moldy, it then puts sound into my ear. And yeah, that's kind of